They were just trying to swap out the seats. These are the old seats from a 2000, I think, or 2001 Ranger. We're gonna use these seat brackets because the ones that came on these seats were messed up. Well, the guy had made this one, and then the other one, I don't know, they just put it together, I guess. So that's what we're doing today. We had to drill out all these rivets on this one, on this one right here, a couple other ones. So we're gonna paint them so they won't rust, and then we're gonna drill new holes on these seats. We're not gonna be able to use these because they're right on the edge on the other seat bracket. So we're gonna drill one here. We're gonna drill another one here. So 4 new holes on these, and then we're gonna end up bolting them onto this, so it could be fully functional. And we're gonna figure something out for the seat belts, and then we're just gonna get rid of these. These look pretty good, but they're a bit ripped. And we're gonna try to figure out a center console for that, so we can still have a center console in between the seats. But I think the seats are gonna look better than those gray ones since the floor is black. I'm gonna probably post another video tomorrow, see how it came out.